Hello, welcome to Geekazoidtech. I'm Dan Rivera. On my YouTube channel here, I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit different, something a little bit different for y'all. I'm going to start doing history of technology. History of technologies with Windows, Macintosh, things like that. What we're going to talk about today is something that started the whole Windows business, called Windows 1.0. Now, Windows 1.0 was Bill Gates' answer to Steve Jobs' Macintosh. If any of you have seen the Pirates of Silicon Valley, it's a movie with Noah Wiley and Anthony Michael Hall. You'll see that tells a story of how things started between Apple and Microsoft, as well as the MIT's Altair. Now, a lot of you are used to the graphical user interface of today. The graphical user interface of today was based off of Windows 1.0, then evolved to Windows 3.11, then evolved to Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and now shortly it's going to be Windows 8.1. Which is the Service Pack 1, of course, as a lot of you know. Now, I'm going to show you in VirtualBox. It's already been set up, but what you have to do in order to run this, there's other videos out there on YouTube that will explain how to do this. I'm not going to go into that here. I'm just going to go ahead and show you exactly what the history is of it. If you want to go read up on it, you can read up on the internet about how Windows 1.0 evolved. Of course, Windows 1.0 was buggy. It was buggy in the beginning, and it evolved into Windows 3.11, which was a lot better. There was a lot of other things you could click on, a lot of other files you could click on, more graphical user interface programs. Now, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you. Okay, I've actually have a bunch of different virtual boxes here. I'm going to power up Windows 1.0. You'll be able to see it. You'll be able to see how the virtual box actually handles it. So it's starting virtual machine, starting virtual box, and here comes Microsoft Windows 1.0. The splash screen comes up for a split second because of how fast this computer is. So you're going to see pretty much how it is. This is it here. Like, for example, you can click on calc.exe. It comes up to the calculator. Look how the calculator is there. It's crazy. So I'll click off. I think the virtual machine actually took a dump here, but that's alright. But you get a general idea of what it looks like, more or less. Let me see here. I'm going to switch to full screen. Hopefully that'll work. There we go. And let's see here. But you get the general idea of how it looks. This is the history of Windows itself. And of course, it turns off. It goes gray, like every other part of Windows. That's synonymous with Windows. A lot of you are going to see that. Like XP, 7 does it. Windows 8 kind of does it. Vista does it. Windows 3.11 does it. But that's it for Throwback Thursday. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment and like if you like, and subscribe. This is Dan Rivera. Thanks for watching.